Midstream College has a very proud but young, rich history, and throughout this video we will tell you more about our school's cricket system and what you can expect from next year. Ons is trots op ons skool en wat dit bied vir elke leerder en speler, waar waardes, dissipline, harde werk, kultuur jou die beste geleenthede sal bied. We are very proud of our facilities here at Midstream College. Our high school has 3 top quality cricket fields, 8 grass nets and 8 artificial nets. We have a fully equipped gym where our cricket boys do their conditioning and fitness throughout the year, led by our biokineticist, Mr. Mario Willifee. Midstream College werk ook hard om seker te maak dat elke speler die beste gehalte afrigting ontvang. Ons fokus by ons cricket is om al die seuns van beginner tot 'n gevorderde cricketspeler te ontwikkel en die beste cricketspeler wat hy kan wees. Ons cricketprogram loop dwars deur die jaar. Deur die afseisoen en voorseisoenprogram is ons primêre fokus op ons vaardighede, strategieë, fiksheid, kondisionering en psigologiese voorbereiding. Al ons cricketspanne woon jaarlikse toere by teen top cricketskole in die Noord-Vaal. Deur die toere gee ons vir die seuns geleentheid om hulself en hul crickettalente te ontwikkel. We are privileged to have top quality coaches at our school. We have 2 level 3 coaches and 6 level 2 coaches in our cricket system to make sure our cricket program runs smoothly and at the highest quality. Our vision at Midstream College is to become one of the top cricketing schools in South Africa. So kom bou saam met ons die toekoms van Midstream Cricket. Ons sien julle volgende jaar 2026 waar julle drome 'n waarheid gaan word.